If you want to access your Evernote notes quickly and without confusion, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're using a web browser, a desktop app, or the mobile app, you'll be able to find all of your notes in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's start with the easiest method, which is using Evernote in your web browser. Open your browser first, then go to the Evernote website. Once the site loads, look to the top right corner and click Log In. Now enter your email address or username and your password. If you normally use Google or Apple to sign in, you can use that option too. After you log in, you'll be taken into your Evernote workspace. This is where all of your content lives. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the navigation panel. From there, click Notes. That will open a full list of your saved notes so you can scroll through everything you've created and stored in Evernote. If you use the desktop or mobile app instead, the process is just as simple. First, make sure you have the Evernote app installed on your device. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Evernote Download Center. Once the app is installed, open it on your computer, phone, or tablet. Next, sign in with the same account you normally use. This is important because Evernote syncs your notes across devices, so once you log in, your content should appear automatically. After the app finishes syncing, tap or click the notes icon to browse your full list of notes. If you don't see your notes right away, give it a few moments to finish syncing and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Sometimes people have more than one Evernote login, so checking that detail can save time. You can also refresh the app or reopen it if needed. Once you're inside the notes section, you can search, open, and organize your content from there. This is the main place to access everything you've saved, whether it's meeting notes, research, checklists, or personal ideas. So remember, the key steps are simple. Sign in, go to Notes, and let Evernote sync your content across your devices. That's how to access your Evernote notes using both the website and the app. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.